Welcome, my name is Tony Fox and this is Tony Fox Builds. Now, for today, what we've got is a dishwasher. I guess technically this could be an unboxing video, so let's unbox this dishwasher! Sorry. Anyways, so, now, I've always wanted a dishwasher. I've had them before. No, I can't say that. It hasn't been mine. This is my first dishwasher in my first house, and well, let's unbox it. Oh, this is so great. Saves so much time not having to clean dishes, especially when I meal prep for the week. Well, I mean, that wasn't too difficult. I mean, this is for the kick plate. I'm surprised it's black since the machine is white. All right, but okay. Sorry, I had to sneeze. What do we got here? What do we got? What is this? Seriously, what is that? Why is it? All right. Why is this? What is this? They took the time to shrink wrap it. Why did they? Ah, right. Oh, see? Yearly energy cost. This cost me $34 a year to run. That is pretty good. Some stickers. Alright. I don't care, foam, whatever, trash, junk, things, some things, da 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 da. Looks back nicely. Nicely, trash. Oh, instructions. Let's see. Dishwasher manual. Won't be needing that. Installation guide. Yeah. Don't need no stinking instructions. That might hurt me later on. We'll put a pin in that. I don't know what this is for. Don't need no stinking instructions. What do I put in this? Yeah. Look at that. Alright. Seriously though, what is this thing? Dishwasher manual. Won't be needing that. Mounting bracket. I'm gonna need that. Put that in wherever this thing is. Let's get it installed. Who left this mess here? Alright, let's go. I caught on something. A little bit. Alright. Well, that's not good. Fine. Something about that. Well, if you haven't noticed, I don't have anywhere to put the dishwasher. Because it's never had a dishwasher before. So, let's find out how much what the measurements are. So, it's about 30, what did I say it was? I forgot what I said already. You ever walk into a room and forget why you were there? I forgot what the measurements were. Hold on. Okay, so 33 and 5/8 and 23 and 5/8. So let's see where I can figure that out. Ideally would be right here. I don't know why this one, just something about this side I like better. Let's find out what that is. I do have room. I do have room for the height. As far as the 23, I would probably start right about there. No, that wouldn't work, because that would go into the other door. I completely lose this side of the cabinets. Wow, this might actually be worse than I was thinking. I could make a new cabinet and put it there. Okay. 23 and 5/8. Ooh. Yeesh. That's right here. Right at the edge. What is this? Hold on, it's got weird locks on it. Oh! Well. I mean, I have. I think that I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna make a whole just a whole cabinet. This thing is really awesome. I don't know if any of you have ever seen one before. That's a laundry chute. This shirt, if it's dirty, you know what? I'll show you right now. This is a dirty shirt. This is what you do, because that's what you do. It goes all the way down to the basement. There's a nice little pile, and then you put everything into the laundry. Isn't that just great? This has to stay no matter what. So the nice thing about having this right here, I know this right here, like 7 inches, this is a 7-inch opening. That means all of this right here, this 20 inches is just a big 7-inch box. And I could drill a hole very easily. Well, I'll probably have to go upward. So I could drill a hole upward, get to the water lines down there, and then use the drainage down into the sink down there, because I don't want to run everything over to here. Just go straight through that. That's what I'll do. I'll make a cabinet. All right.